Have your YouTube views been dropping suddenly lately and you're doing everything you can to optimize your videos, to make sure that you're creating great thumbnails, you're posting consistently, and you're doing everything you can to grow your channel? Yet, you can count the numbers of views you get on your videos on your hands. If that is you, do not worry because you are not alone. I'm in the same boat as you. In this video today, I will be sharing what I've learned that could be responsible for drop in views, and I will be sharing 4 strategies that I will be implementing to solve this problem, and you don't want to miss them. They might be the solutions you need to get your channel, your view back up and running again. So in order to give you a bit of a context into my channel, in the past, even as a small YouTube channel that is just starting out, I used to get decent, well, in by my own standard, as somebody who just started, I used to get decent views on my videos. Then I had to take a break. That should be sometime in December last year, which life too happened. That took me away from YouTube for about 10 months. I went through a very challenging time in my personal life. I was not in the right mental place to post videos. So, to cut the long story short, about a month ago, I started posting consistently again on my YouTube channel, and I noticed that my long form videos were only getting about 5 to 10 views. When I first noticed this, that my views were dropping drastically, I was afraid. I asked myself, what have I done wrong? What am I doing wrong? And how was I, did algorithm stop recommending my videos or something? I couldn't just placed where what the problem was. Then I put on my detective cap to investigate, to dive deep into what the root cause is, to know why algorithm is not recommending my videos and why I'm getting low views on my long form content. Then I discovered that different factors could be responsible for low or reduction in views you get on your videos. In my own case, what I found out was that number one, change in direction. On my return to posting on my YouTube channel again about a month ago, also pivoted. I changed my niche, and I think that should be expected. It's like you having a store in an open market where you have competitors and you shut your store down for 10 months and you still expect your clients or your customers to be waiting for you. Most of them would have moved on since there are other competitors. And in the case of YouTube, there are a lot of YouTube content creators that are showing up regularly and that are in the same niche as yourself. So it is expected that most of your YouTube subscriber would have probably moved on to those YouTube content creators that have been showing up consistently. I also learned that the algorithm does not hate you. Could be because you have confused the algorithm. Like in my own case, I was off for 10 months and then I came back discussing different topics. So algorithm will find that strange and like will not know, okay, what is this channel all about. I learned that that is one of the things that made my views on my long form videos to drop drastically. Changing your niche as a small channel can actually have a detrimental effect on your channel because nobody really knows you. Maybe there was a reason they were coming for your previous topic, your previous subject, and all of a sudden you changed, you're talking about something different that they might not even be interested in. So that will definitely cause reduction in your views. Another thing I learned was that insufficient data for algorithm to work with, it can cause your video to have low views. For example, if you've not been posted, you have maybe like 4 or 5 videos on your channel, the algorithm is still trying to understand your new subjects on viewers that will be interested in this such content. So if you don't have a lot of videos on your channel for the algorithm to understand what your channel is about, it could potentially lead to low view because the algorithm does not know where who will be interested in them. Another thing I found out that could also be responsible for your low view is posting more shorts than the long form. I was posting more shorts than long form, and they might not necessarily be interested in a long form video, so they just watch the shorts and they move on. So if you want the viewers to view your long form content, so you should do more of long form as opposed to posting lots of shorts. I hope you are not going to make the same mistake I have made. So that's what I'm sharing, what I've learned, so that you can avoid those mistakes if you have not committed them already. So like I said in the beginning of this video, that I'm going to be sharing 4 strategies that I will be implementing to solve this problem of low views. And drum rolling. So the number 1 strategy I will be implementing is to double down on what is working. By going through the list of your videos that have performed well in the past, analyze them, check out what has worked for them, what are the things or the techniques you've used, and note down what made videos performed well, such as, is it the thumbnails, is it the title, is it the way you framed your hook, and double down on those to create similar videos. On the other hand, if you're a small channel like me trying to grow with and you don't have much videos that are doing well on your channel or that have done well on your channel, you can double down on what is working well, the topics, the titles that are working well in your niche. Go through the YouTube feed page, those big content creators that are in your niche, check out their videos, look at the current topics, the topics that are currently trending, and study those. List few of them, study those videos. I'm not asking you to go copy them. No, do not copy them. And just get ideas from there. Add your spin to it, add more value to whatever you have been able to come up with from those videos, and just create similar videos and see how it performs. Another strategy I will be implementing is to post more videos. This is a no-brainer. So for algorithm to recommend your video, there must be videos to be recommended. So post long form videos, not just any form or not just any videos, but videos that has value, quality videos. So moving forward, my plan is to post at least 2 long forms video every week and 1 short, as opposed to 1 long form I used to post in the past. So I'm going to increase the number of videos I post every week, and hopefully that will help to increase the views on the channel. And the other strategy is I also plan to use YouTube Shorts to trigger YouTube algorithm to direct traffic to my long form content. The research also shows that the active YouTube short viewers are over 200 billion, every month. It is a huge number to leverage on. And if you can post good shorts that could direct the traffic to your long form video, I think it's a good thing to implement. So grab your shares of those 200 billion YouTube shorts viewers. So another strategist that I'm going to be implementing, in fact, I have implemented this and it has worked for me, and that is uploading your YouTube videos as unlisted. So when you upload your video, do not make it public immediately after you've done all the checks, and let it remain on unlisted for at least about 6 hours. So I tried this with my last two shorts that I posted. The first one, I uploaded it as unlisted and I waited for about, I think I waited for about 5 hours before I made it public, and to my surprise, it did well. The video performed better than the previous video I uploaded on my channel. So about a week after that, I uploaded another short, but this time around I left it for close to 12 hours as listed before making it public. And what this does is that it gives the algorithm plenty of time to analyze the content of the video and to understand who are the audience that will be interested in such a topic. And once the algorithm is able to do that, then it makes the job easier for the algorithm and for your content to be pushed. And the second one I posted, it doubled in the view, doubled compared to the previous one as well. I had over, in fact, it was more than 100% increase, and I plan to continue to use that strategy. And so those are the first strategies that I will be implementing in the next 30 days on my channel to grow my views, to get my YouTube channel back on track, updating you guys on the progress so far in my videos, my subsequent videos. If you're feeling stuck or discouraged, know that this is your space. Remember, the right people will find you, but only if you keep showing up. My name is Yemi from ResourcefulYem. If you're over 40, growing YouTube channel, or you're just about to take that leap into content creation, subscribe and let's grow together, one real video at a time. And also I will see you in my next video. God bless you and take care.